this now.
Heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside, thinking about it, your gut can lie. When you're hungry but it hurts too, do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad